Yeah, so we were watching the Peter Schiff podcast and we noticed a whole bunch of technical issues with the market had just been reached. Peter Schiff stating the confidence bubble has popped, talking about the possibility that the Federal Reserve may not raise interest rates at the December meeting because the market has been taking it on the chin. Yesterday, the Dow lost close to 400 points, and a lot of that has to do with the NASDAQ. Tech has been getting hammered. Here's the one-year chart. Look at that. It's erased almost all of this year's gains. Like we said, it was down. The Dow was down 400. It's set to open 300 down today. 300, almost 400 for the Dow future. The Dow hasn't been hammered like NASDAQ, but a whole bunch of monopolies been taking it on the chin. Apple's in a bear market, Google getting hammered, Facebook facing one of the largest declines that it's ever faced. If you're a commodities purchaser, get yourself some freaking gold. If you're into gold, look at that level. That's the one-year chart for gold. Barely off the 52-week lows. Personally, I'm more of a silver type person. It's a little bit more reasonable, but it follows the same chart. Still very close to the 52-week low. Support level for this is $14 an ounce. Don't be chasing this when it's at 20 bucks an ounce, because half of the stock market will be, as they always do. Also, another very interesting thing, well, not really that interesting, is the wheat price. We expected that to be much higher, actually, considering how much crop loss we're seeing around the earth during the solar minimum. And last but not least, you may have been noticing that prices at the gas pumps have been extremely low. If you're a commodities purchaser, purchase some crude. $57.76 per barrel. Look at that. That is freaking incredible. I mean, as China and India industrialize and world populations continue to grow and the temperature continues to plummet on Earth, what do you think is going to happen to that level? Last but not least, how about a one-year chart of Bitcoin? You think you can hide in cryptocurrencies? You can hide in silver or gold. You can't hide in cryptocurrencies. Here's 1 year of Bitcoin. Ouch. That's not 1 year, that's 24 hours. There's the 1 year. Yep. Much lower than it was last Thanksgiving. Now, perhaps this is a buying opportunity, but in our experience, if you want to look at this like any other speculative investment, this is a death chart. You've got the initial dead cat bounce number 2, dead cat bounce number 3. That's a real spike. And the rest, this looks like death throes. I'm not saying, cryptocurrency won't come back, but this is the first thing people get out of when commodity prices go up. Smart money's going into silver and gold. You heard it here. Anyway, strap in, because the market is going to be taking it on the chin again today. Led by tech monopolies.